Hey guys, so for green demonstration, I just wanted to show you kind of what it will look like. So Miss Jackson just going to drag this to a random point. You're going to be dragging yours to number 7, but I'm just going to drag it to a random point, and I want you to be able to look at what we see happening with this side view. So we see the air temperature, the water temperature, and the land temperature. We can also see how the energies are moving through this location, right? You hit play to start to watch what's happening. Okay, so that wraps up about what you should be able to do to answer the questions. Just gonna jump start for Wednesday. You're gonna go to surface tests for part 2 of this. So let's load that. And this is how you're gonna change the solar output on Wednesday. Okay? Alright, so I hope that helps you get an idea of what's expected for you to complete in the simulation. Have a good day.